Good morning students. Today we will study new chapter, chapter 10 measurement. You know about the measurement chapter length, weight and capacity. The standard unit of length is meter. The standard unit of weight is gram. The standard unit of capacity is liter. Now we study the measurement table of each unit. Then first we study the length, measurement table of length. First, the biggest unit is kilometer, km. Km means kilometer, then hectometer, then decameter, then meter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. The measurement unit of length, this is the length table. Kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. The greatest unit, the bigger unit is kilometer. Then the smaller unit is millimeter. We move kilometer to hectometer, we multiply by 10. Then we move hectometer to decameter, we multiply by 10. One step, this step the distance is 10. Then decameter to meter, again we multiply by 10. Then meter to decimeter, multiply by 10. Again decimeter to centimeter, multiply by 10. Then centimeter to millimeter, multiply by 10. Now you look here, I want kilometer to meter. I go to kilometer to meter. How many step I jump? 10, 3 step, that is 10, 100, 1000. Kilometer to meter, we multiply by 1000. Now, kilometer to decameter, we multiply by 100. The greater to smaller, we go to greater to smaller unit, we multiply. Now, smaller to bigger unit, we divide. Smaller to bigger unit, we divide. This also one step here. Now, bigger to smaller we multiply, smaller to bigger we divide. Now, for example, millimeter to centimeter. Millimeter to centimeter we divide by 10. Then, millimeter to decimeter we divide by 100. Millimeter to meter we divide by 1000. Now, meter to kilometer, meter into kilometer, we divide by 1000. Understand you? Then bigger unit to smaller unit, multiply. Smaller unit to bigger unit, we divide according to your unit. Then hectometer into meter, then 3 hectometer into meter. This is our question. 3 hectometer into meter. Hectometer here, then our unit again. Hectometer into meter. We go to meter. Then hectometer into meter. How many steps we jump? 10, 100. How many steps we? 100. We multiply by 100. 1 hectometer is equal to 100 meter. Then how many hectometer we have? 3 hectometer is equal to 3 multiply 100 is equal to 300 meter. Understand you? Now, again one question. 4 meter into centimeter. Where our meter? Here. This is our meter. This is our centimeter. How many steps you jump? 1, 2. We multiply 10, 100. We bigger to smaller we multiply. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? 100. Then how many meter we have? 4 meter is equal to 4 into 100 is equal to 400 centimeter. Understand you? Then next, "25 centimeter into meter." Centimeter into meter. Where is our centimeter? Here. Here our centimeter. This is our meter. Centimeter into meter. How many steps? Smaller to bigger. We divide. We divide by how many steps we jump? 10, 100. We divide by 100. Then solution, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. Then how many centimeter we have? 25 centimeter is equal to 25 upon 100 meter. Then we divide by 100. Then we divide by 100. How many digits we remove? 2 digits we remove. Answer is 0.25 meter. Understand you? Then next our unit is weight. Next our unit is weight. Here the measurement table: kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram, milligram. Then we remove the m. Instead of m we write g. Then we say kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram and milligram. The basic unit is gram. The basic unit is gram. The bigger unit is kilogram. The smaller unit is milligram. Now we jump, again we jump this kilogram into hectogram, we multiply by 10. Then again hectogram into decagram, we multiply by 10. Then again decagram into gram, we multiply by 10. Again gram into decigram, we multiply by 10. Then decigram into centigram, we multiply by 10. Then centigram into milligram, we multiply by 10. Now kilogram is the bigger unit and milligram is the smaller unit. Now we milligram into centigram, we divide by 10. Centigram into decigram, we divide by 10. Then decigram into gram, we divide by 10. Then gram into decagram, again we divide by 10. Decagram into hectogram, we divide by 10. Hectogram into kilogram, we divide by 10. Then smaller to bigger, we divide by bigger to smaller, we multiply according to your unit. Then now we, for example, 3 kg into gram, kg into gram. This is our kg, this is our gram. How many steps you move? 10, 100, 1000. Bigger to smaller, multiply. Then 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. How many kg we have? 3 kg is equal to 3 into 1000 is equal to 3 1 ja 3. How many 0 put? 3 zeros put here. Understand you? Now 7350 gram into kilogram. 7350 gram into kilogram. Kilogram where? Here a gram. Then kilogram here. Gram to kilogram. Gram into kilogram. How many steps we move? 10, 100, 1000. How many steps? 1000. Then 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kg. How many gram we have? 7350 gram is equal to 7350 upon 1000. We divide by 1000. How many digits we remove? 3 digits. That is this 7.350 kg. 7 kg 350 gram. This is the weight of measurement table. Then now one more table we have, measurement table of capacity. Listen, kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter, milliliter. In we purchase the liquid. For liquid we use the liter and kiloliter. Listen, the bigger unit is kiloliter, the smaller unit is milliliter. The basic unit is liter. Now we move here kiloliter to hectoliter, we multiply by 10. Again hectoliter to decaliter, we multiply by 10. Again we multiply by 10. Liter to deciliter, we multiply by 10. Then deciliter to centiliter, we multiply by 10. Centiliter to milliliter, we multiply by 10. Then here milliliter to centiliter, we divide by 10. Centiliter to deciliter, we divide by 10. Deciliter to liter, we divide by 10. Then liter to deciliter, we divide by 10. decaliter to hectoliter we divide by 10, hectoliter to kiloliter we divide by 10. This is the measurement table of capacity. You learn the table. You learn again, you say kilometer, kilogram and kiloliter, then kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter, milliliter, then kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter, then kg, kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram and milligram. You learn the measurement table. This is a table you learn. Then we convert the table. First you learn the table, then we convert. Okay. You do this homework, do question 1 and 2 of exercise 10.1.